Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I'm sitting out here in my garden and I've been harvesting a lot of food here this morning. Yeah, there's still so much left on these cucumber plants. Yesterday, I harvested about 22 lemon cucumbers, and there's still so many more. Look at this jade. She is super long, and I will be getting her off sometimes later today. But yeah, there's still so many fruits on the plant. But wow, they're gorgeous. That is my Moringa tree right there. I've harvested a lot of her leaves, and they're inside, and I'm going to dehydrate the leaves, and let's make some moringa flakes here today. Yeah, but also I'm gonna walk around with you in my garden. I'm gonna share lots of my fruits and vegetables that I have growing so far. Yeah, and just where they at. Yeah, I'm gonna share that. So we are at the end of May. This is the end of May, and I'm dropping seeds also. I'm dropping a lot of heat-loving seeds here today, simply because I just want more vegetables. I'm gonna get out of my growing season all that I can get from her. Everything I can get from this growing season, I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get it, y'all. But anyway, family, let's get started with the video. All right. All right, guys. So this is my Moringa oleifera. She's in here, baby. She's in here. Let me plug this up. Wait a minute. All right. There she is. I'm gonna leave it at 10 hours, and I'm gonna put the temperature on 140. We're gonna leave it there, and we're gonna let her rip, baby. So all 9 shelves are filled with moringa. All right, guys. It is late at night, and so I'm gonna see you all in the morning. All right. All right, guys. So yeah, baby, I'm gonna get one of these, and I'm gonna have me a salad before I go to bed. But anyway, guys, I'll see you all in the morning. All right. All right, so this is some tea bags that I have here. So I'm gonna take my tea bags. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing. Yeah. So let's put a few flakes, leaves of moringa in this bag. Here's some moringa. And I have some mullein. This is mullein. I'll put a couple of sprigs here of mullein in here. Come on, mullein. Get in the bag. Alright. Put that. And this is my butterfly peas I harvest from last season. So we're going to put about 3 petals or 4, maybe 5 of the butterfly pea in there. All right, put that up like that. Now the other day I did this, but I didn't use the butterflies. I used the Jamaican sorrel, but we're gonna get the blue baby out today. This here is Jamaican sorrel. These are the flowers. These are the flowers. I just dehydrated the flowers. So let's get this hot water. All right. So this is just hot water. You see it? Okay, you got it. And I'll put my tea bag in. Yeah. And I'm gonna let her seep. Let me get something to hold her down in there. And most of the water get in there, she'll sink down. Let's just allow it to steep. So this is my moringa, butterfly pea, and some Jamaican sorrel flowers. This is my tea. Now, I must say to you all, I did take another bag of just butterfly pea flowers, put them in some hot water and let it steep. And this is how we got that blue, that purple blue, right? Yeah. I have some agave in here. And of course, you can see I have some lemon. And this is many times, this is how I make a tea for at night when I am a little restless and I can't sleep. This is the tea that I go to. But anyway, guys, this is it. And this is my moringa. And this is how I preserve it a lot, right? Also, let's see here. This is moringa powder, right? This is the powder of the moringa. So I put it in my Ninja and just blast that thing, and this is what you get, moringa powder. But today we did the flakes. Yeah. All right, guys, let's get in the garden, and I'm going to share with you all some of the vegetables that's growing and why I want so much more from this season. I'm gonna get all I can get from this season, right? All right, family. That is a Bachelors Button. It's a Bachelor Button, and she's gonna have a lot of you can see a lot of the pods coming on her. Bachelors Button. She's beautiful. Of course, she's purple, y'all. So, of course, this is leeks, and I'm going to drop a lot of leeks in this bed with all of the vegetables I'm going to be dropping also. They are going to need these leeks because, family, you know the bugs are hungry. So I do have a bag here where I have about 3 or 4 heads of onions that I have harvested and just dropped in this bag. And as you can see, I have seeds at the bottom of it. So I'm just going to drop my seeds, family. So this is some of the vegetables I'm dropping. Carrots. And all of my grandkids and my children love carrots. So I'm dropping more. Yeah. I'm also going to drop, now with this butterfly pea, that's a lavender. I'm dropping about 5 seeds. I want the flower, of course, but mainly I want the seeds because I don't want to have to go back and purchase any more of these seeds. So I'm going to grow my seeds. I'm going to grow some more spinach and some collard greens. Now, I'm not going to put the collard greens in this bed. I do have some 5-gallon grow bags that I'm going to put in. And this Swiss chard analytic gardener. Yeah, baby, I did not forget. And I'm going to drop this Swiss chard because she don't mind the heat. And so I'm going to have her in this bed. And I'm going to drop some cabbage in some 5-gallon grow bags. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do with those. Because, family, I'm trying my best to just get more and more. I want to harvest from many of the plants and vegetables that I have, and I want them to grow more and drop more seeds. Every part of this season, I'm going to try to get more. Now, those street plants back in the bag, those are jicamas. And as you can see, they are yellow. So I put some 511 and super juice on it the next day, and seems like they're doing better. But yeah, a lot of the plants around it, like I had some peas growing there. I did not take up the roots. I only cut the plant away. Now, in this envelope that I have, this is butterfly pea flowers. And I'm going to drop a lot of those right across the back of Jada's bed so it can just go up this little trellis. And basically, yes, I want the flowers, but more importantly, I want the seeds, family. I want the seeds. So these are just some of the things that I am growing today in this bed. I harvest a lot of the vegetables. I've harvested a lot of tomatoes. Many of them are green, but that's okay. I have a spot on my kitchen table, and all of those beautiful green tomatoes are just sitting there turning red and delicious and safe from the bugs. Because usually, family, if my tomatoes blush, she coming inside, baby. So this is some of my tomatoes growing out in the garden right now. And my Sam tomato is beautiful. I don't know if I have her in this video, but I will share her. I have a kohlrabi. Matter of fact, I have 4 plants of kohlrabi. This is the biggest one so far right now in my garden. And of course, the Rose Bianca eggplants. Family, she is showing out. As I said, I dropped 4 seeds. Only 1 showed up. And baby, did she show up. She's amazing, y'all. And this is just an update on my box sweet potatoes. And, you know, they're still alive and they're doing their thing. I'm just going to keep you updated. And someone asked about my Fuju persimmons, and here they are. So right now I have about 15 Fuju persimmons on the tree, and she's doing amazingly. One thing I know, I did spray her with that marigold oil. This stuff have shown me to be amazing. Now listen, family, it doesn't matter what you spray on a plant. It doesn't matter. Nothing totally gets rid of insects. Nothing. But this marigold oil, she's done amazing for this Fuju persimmon plant. The leaves are beautiful. They are big. They are shiny. And I only applied one application. Only one. One, family. Just one. And these leaves are amazing on this tree. The fruits are beautiful. But more importantly, it's the leaves for me. Now, as you can see, there is some bites in some leaves, but thank you, Dorcia. Thank you, Dorcia. Now, I am behind my my fig trees. I'm on the back side of it. This is my Black Mission. Yeah. She's coming in slow with her figs, but most importantly, her figs are showing up, and to me, that's all that counts. Yeah, she's doing good. She had some weeds growing in the container with her, and I kind of cleaned that out. I usually don't be on that side of my plants, but this is my rose bush, and she's amazing. And the brown turkey, which I didn't stay back there a long time. Yeah, and the lemon tree. Yeah, my lemon tree. So this is where a stem broke on my lemon tree right there. Now I could tape it up and all that, and I could. I've done it before, but I decided to just leave it alone, family. I just want to leave it alone, right? And I'm going to share my Fuju from the other side. And she looked amazing from the back side of this garden, close to the fence. And there they are. The Fujus are beautiful. They're absolutely lovely. So it looks like one of the kids beat me this today. Yeah, they got the right ones. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see one, y'all. I see one. They didn't get them all, baby. Oh, yeah, there's a fat one back there. Oh, boy, if I could get it now. Let me see. Oh, okay. Got it. Got it. Oh, she's just totally stone black. Gotta love that, y'all. Gotta love it. All right, let's see what she hitting on this morning. Oh, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Oh, it was so good. Now, this is a plant that I have growing in the sweet potato bin. I'm thinking this is some kind of melon, like a cantaloupe. My coffee plants, they're Arabicas. Yeah. Mints. Cucumbers. So I just harvest these too. It's lunch. Let's do lunch, baby. Let's do lunch. All right, family. You all have a wonderful Saturday. I hope to see you in the live on Sunday evening. All right.